What's up, everybody? Thank you for clicking in my little quick how-to video. Got a System Bank lean code. The System Bank lean code is go across the board of any fuel injection vehicle. However, the particular model we're working on today is a Buick Park Avenue 3.8, same thing as a LeSabre. And basically what a System Bank lean code means is that you have air being brought into the engine outside the source of its proper monitoring position. In other words, your MAP sensor doesn't understand it, nor your mass airflow sensor, because the oxygen sensors are giving you a reflection of heat from the exhaust temperature that's higher than normal, considering the fuel mixture necessary by the systems monitoring it, either by mass airflow sensor or MAP sensor or both. In this case, with this Buick Park Avenue, it has a MAP sensor and a mass airflow sensor. And these are saying, hey, it looks like we're within range of the airflow and what may be a close enough necessary vacuum. It hasn't gotten bad enough to where the engine vacuum is low, so it doesn't even give you a code for that. It just says, man, it looks like the exhaust temperature is a little higher than it should, considering the fuel mixture that we're adding to it for the amount of engine load and airflow necessary. So obviously this thing seems to be running lean, so you need to be a really good smart mechanic and figure this out. And so as I was running this vehicle, I could hear a little faint sound of outside vacuum sucky noisy source. But to pinpoint it, I'm going to use this method right here. Get ready and watch. All right, we got a System Bank lean code on this Buick right here. We got us a neighbor, sneaky neighbor. Yeah, all right, okay, it's Buick. Here you go. Check this out. All right, here we're gonna find this leak. You got to be real careful because this is dangerous. But watch this. I listened and I heard something, but watch this. Hear it make the difference? Hear the motor starting to stumble? There you have it. Okay. So after inspecting the gasket-ola, the gasket looks great. It looks fine. I'd actually think that what we've got here so far is the vacuum leak itself is where their little pintle shaft drops down to do what it does. I believe there's a seal, or it's worn, and it's actually leaking vacuum from this area where my thumb is. That's where my focus is on that. I actually pinpointed the spray a little bit better and could see that it was specifically coming from this area right here. And we've got, so that's that problem actually. So we've got that pinned down, but that basically just wanted to give you a rundown on how to pinpoint vacuum leaks using brake cleaner. And it's very dangerous. So when you're doing that, be mindful of any kind of arcs or sparks. WD-40 kind of works for that, except for it's just not as, it doesn't have the same thing. Brake cleaner kind of gives you a really, gives you an oomph when it comes to when you're spraying around looking for something. But like I said, just be very mindful about, this engine was not at operating temperature yet, and I made sure there was no arcs or sparks. Keep a fire extinguisher or bucket of water nearby just in case. So thank you very much for watching my quick how-to video. Peace out.